Hello, in this video we have the DEKOPRO random orbit sander, 300 watt, not the highest powered sander, but it is only $29.99 on Amazon right now. I believe it was $24.99 at one point, so it has gone up a bit. Just open the box. As you can see, spare sanding pads. They go from 60 to 180, I believe. Quite a few. You've got the dust catcher. Now, if you've got any experience with sanders and dust catchers, you'll know that these tend to fall off quite easily. Super annoying. It's got instructions and some spare brushes. In actual fact, these go from 60 to 1,000. I didn't even know 1,000 existed, to be honest. 400, 240, 120, and then 80, 60. It's got a nice solid feel to it. Like it really has, it's got a nice weight to it. The cable is roughly just short of 2 meters long. I know some people like to know that. So it's pretty long. Velcro bottom. Stick your pads on where the holes are. Line the holes up so that the dust is drawn through to your dust collector. And the reason I bought it is to, sand that down. Now it's pretty well varnished, that, so I mean, I'm giving it a big job to do for its first job. You can see a lot of varnish on there. But I read the reviews and yeah, I think it'll do the job. I did have a Bosch sander, but my wife murdered the motor sanding a table down, and the reason for that happening was that when she was sanding, she was pressing down quite hard, making it work harder than it should have been, really. So yeah, don't do that, let the sander do the work. And this, I believe, just pops on. And yeah, so you've got a slight twist, line the little notches up, push it in, twist it, locked on, and that's actually quite solid. It's more solid than the Bosch one I had. So yeah, we'll give it a blast and we'll see how it comes out. I'll probably just do one of the doors on that cabinet just to show you. Got your speed dial here. Apparently this speed dial only works, or only changes the speed once it's been turned off. I don't believe that it will go up in speed or down in speed while it's still turned on. We'll find out. Oh, on and off switch at the front there. But yeah, looks alright. We'll see.